Good morning, Levi. Good morning, Levi. You ready to get started? So here are some of our chicks. We have some lavender Orpingtons and some white leghorns. Really good egg layers. And they're just pretty. We had a rough hatch, the last hatch. We're supposed to have lavender Americanas as well. And none of them hatched. So that was really upsetting. So we do some brooders for a little bit in here. You scared of us? Camera shy? And what it enables us to do is make some really, really great compost somewhere we can contain it. So I'll show you where our old chicks started some compost for us. All right, so this is an old compost. Leavey! This is from an old hatch, and we're just letting it cook. This would be for the garden next year. Pretty excited about that. Learning all kinds of things. It actually puts off a heat. So it has actually already started cooking. It's put off a heat and was helping keep the birds warm when the nights are still a little bit cooler. So that's awesome. It's actually even... What's wrong, my guy? You need mommy to hold you? So, he's happier now. Anyway, it's actually much cleaner and much more sanitary to allow for deep bedding and to continuously add carbon to the compost. It allows nature to do its thing as far as fighting back different parasites or bacteria or anything like that. And that's what we're trying to do, be as natural as possible. So we found that actually with some research that there is a lower mortality rate with chickens if you allow for deep bedding and allow nature to kind of do the cleaning instead of between chicken batches, we'll call them, cleaning and sanitizing the enclosures. So that's pretty cool. We'll still plan probably at the end of the year to sanitize everything and store it for the next year.
That one, I'm going slow.
You know what we haven't done yet, Jacob?
What?
Showing the alpacas. Why don't we do that?
Show them the alpacas.
Yeah, let's show the alpacas. Hey guys!
Can I do a video with them?
You want to do second lunch?
Can I do a video of them?
You want to do a video of them?
Yeah.
boys and girls.
Hi,
They are
Wendy.
super friendly. Everly, would you like to feed one on your hands? Everly, we love your outfit, girl.
Yeah, what you wearing crazy?
All right, show how gentle they are,
Show them.
right? Can you hold a little higher for Wooks? Wookie does not like Ben.
Benny, come on.
Benny, go home.
Go home, buddy.
Look, Wookie's following Ben.
Yeah.
They don't get along.
Benny, go.
So they're really, really sweet. They can't bite because they don't have top and bottom teeth. They only have bottom teeth.
Hey, do you want some more feed, guys? I'll get some in the oven.
You guys want some?
Hey, guys.
So
Thank you.
this white one is the baby of the black one. So that's Ned, right? Yeah. Ned
Hi.
is Wookie's son. And then we've got King Tommen back there. And this is Rumbelina, this brown one right here. Rumbelina and Wookie are both pregnant. And this baby right here, Ned, was born on our farm.
And the baby was born in
And-
her belly.
And I had this baby in my belly.
And her had that baby in her belly.
Well, not Rumbelina. This is Rumbelina's first baby, actually. So they're very gentle. We can just go in here and the kids can come. The kids know not to go directly behind their front legs because they kick. Front. We normally actually don't even lock this gate. But last time Jacob was in here, they took off. He thinks they're purposely being defiant. This is a little bit different hay than we normally get. Our hay delivery was a little short. We just put the hay in the hay feeder.
I put a little down here for the youngsters.
So they don't have to
Nibble at.
compete though. So they are kind of rude in that they don't like portion out the food. They will just eat and eat and eat. They will take food from the babies, from the smaller ones. They do not care about that. What else, Jacob?
Let's see.
Evie, come this way. That's all dust from the hay.
Feeding them is a compressed
Come here.
alfalfa.
That's not normally what they have. But like I
No,
said,
I gotta go tomorrow and pick up some more for them. But some of their regular stuff, but
And it's making me cough.
making you cough.
Yeah. Sorry, guys.
So they're very, very gentle, like I said. They will spit, but it's like a polite spit. And what is only Wookie spits, right, Jacob?
except for when Rumbelina gets sheared. She just got sheared.
that's
so
right.
She had the short hair.
And it's more like a hot air, and it just is kind of like get away from me. But we give them shots once a month. So whenever we do that, we get spit at, but not really. It's not like a llama or really anything. They don't really have any defenses. Ooh, you're green. Evie, your hiney's hanging out. What's up, bud? So we feed them in this little pen back here because we'll also do shots back here. So it makes it easier for us to get them in the area to do the shots because they know that they eat they eat food, which is way more often they get shots, but they're still really weary of us.
Hey guys, do I get a shot?
Stay back, baby.
So like if I just start to put a little pressure on them, they're out of here.
A little
Come on,
shot.
Ev.
All right, let's let them eat, okay?
Let them eat in peace, baby.
Do I get a piece for?
Oh, you gave Levi a shot?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Ivermectin shot?
Can I get a video of you?
Oh, sure. You can do a video of us. All right, what do you want to say?
Here is mommy here and her doing a dance.
Here's mommy here doing a dance. Dance, 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 dance,
Hello.
Woo!
I'm facing at her face.
No. Stop. You can't do that. You said you weren't going to mess like that anymore.
Well, I'm not gonna mess like a burglar.
Or that you're